everyone, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Today we have Mr.
Akshat Samsi.
author of.
Snow.
So, is this your first time visiting book fair?
Yeah.
So, how did you write this book? What came in your mind when you write this book?
So the thing was, it started as a single character. The character was named Winter. It was like a drawing. Then it was a little character sketch with like details and name, age, background, stuff like that. Then after that, it became multiple characters. It became short stories. I wrote this in my school essays. I wrote this in my 10th boards. I wrote about this character and a little essay in English. But what happened was basically this character's planned in my head. The story got started in my head. I just planned it whole thing out. For 4 years, I was stewing on this. Since 6th grade, I've been thinking about this, and then finally I got this whole thing, and I just vomited it out on the paper. So everything just came out quickly, fast, and this is what came out. So yeah, this thing.
And you sketched your cover by yourself.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
What advice would you like to give to your age writers?
Don't rush yourself if you want to write a book. Take your time, and whatever you think about, think it through. Come up with everything you know. And then finally, when you're ready, you can write it. Or you can write however you like. If it's your process, you can just start writing and see where the story takes you. That's what I did for a little bit as well.
Congratulations for your first book.
Thank you.
Yeah, and roam around the book fair is beautiful. Thank you.